getting that into focus. I'm actually using a Jurassic Park claw to try and focus the camera. Extendable. And so with riding season is it coming to a close? What are we on? We're in August. Wow. August, which means that we've kind of got 2 months of nice weather here in the UK. So the last remaining months of nice riding weather out there. I'm actually going to set up my motovlogging helmet now. I've had this GoPro for years. This is GoPro Hero 3. Now I know there's better quality GoPros out there, but at the moment the 3 still seems to be able to keep its weight out there. So we're going to be using this, clean the lens, and we are going to be fitting it onto my helmet here. Bit of a dirty visor. I need to clean the visor as well. Wow. No wonder I can't see anything when I'm riding. So what I'm going to do today is attach my GoPro with this onto this, and then use this little microphone here, which is a Sony stereo mic. Put it all together, and then that can be my motovlogging helmet ready for motovlogging this week. Exciting. Right, so we're going to use this helmet here. What I'm kind of thinking about is attaching this GoPro here so it's actually at the same level at my mouth here, and then I can open and close it still. That still opens and closes. The other options I've got obviously is to stick it on the top here or on the side, but I quite like it at the front. But as you can see, there's no real place to properly stick it there. I suppose I could put a sticky there, but then that's in front of my vision. That's a bit too high. What my solution is to create a little GoPro arm basically out of all these little GoPro bits. Fortunately, I can't stick that as close to the front as what I want to, so I'm gonna have to kind of stick it there and then curve it around and let that do its job there. So first things first, let's clean that. That all done, let me connect the GoPro case onto the GoPro arm itself. This is pretty handy actually. I can actually curve this around, tilt it up and down, tilt the GoPro whichever direction I want. So it's kind of multi-angular, if that's what you'd call it. If I find that it's too close to my eyes or whatever, I could just move it down. That is now attached onto there. So what I was saying before with this little arms, I can actually twist it up and down depending on where I want the camera angle to be. So I've put it down at the moment and then just angled that a bit further back. So actually I can get it a bit squarer than that if I need to. But I can lift it up in height. But that, although it looks like it's in the way now, that is not going to obstruct my vision because I've obviously got the nose plate there, and then my vision from there down is going to go straight over that. I won't see that at all. I mean, the other problem that I may encounter with this is that it might vibrate a little bit. If my footage is a bit shaky and I don't like that, then what I can easily do, just pull that out, swap the attachment, so then I've got the GoPro just sticking out on the end here. I can actually point the GoPro up on its side. So I've got the camera quite neat by my side there, so I can easily do that if I want it. For the time being, let's try that. Get this case off one more time. We'll put the GoPro inside. What you'll see at the side here is that these newer GoPros, in fact I should really take it out, shouldn't I? I think it was since the GoPro 2 they stopped doing it actually, but you can't actually have a 3.5 inch microphone jack straight into here anymore, so you've got to use an adapter for that, and for that very thing we'll need to drill a hole inside of this. On the side here, mark where the hole is. Just be on the safe side, let's make a bigger hole than what we actually need. And here's the cut from here. Okay, so it's not the neatest in the world, but who is looking at that? Fits nicely, and the cable fits in there. Job is done. That done, I can put that to one side. That is hooked up. Great stuff. Microphone. This is what we have. We have a Sony tie-clip mic, stereo, records from both ways. Get this clip out there. That is literally a pin that comes out, and then we've got a Phillips screw just behind that. So I have read that the biggest complaint about these little mics, they do pick up a lot of wind noise. That's where this comes in. All you AMSR people are going to have a field day with this. So I have a bunch of this stuff lying about. Don't ask me where it came from, I have no idea. So this is not the right stuff. This is not the same stuff as the stuff that you buy from proper microphone shops. Seeing as I've got it here for free, I might as well give it a go, see if it works. On this part here, I'm lucky enough that the inside of my helmet, it's actually got a loop Velcro strip on the inside. So all I need is a bit of hook, which I've managed to salvage from somewhere. Glue that on. And there it is, that is done. So there it is. This is my microphone with some weird purple fur fabric on it and Velcro. I'm going to position this inside the helmet. I mean, another thing that this helmet has got is actually kind of like a bit of a windbreaker there, not much, just for your neck. If I open this up, let's move that strap out of the way. Excellent. Connect the jack through there, connect it into that. I can tuck it through there. In fact, I can use that tie that I used before just to kind of neaten it all up.